walnuts, don't throw out the shells. Instead, what you want to do is boil them in a pot of water for about 30 minutes. Walnut shells have so many uses. Good for the body, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. It's used in so many body products. We're just throwing it out. The water has this nice honey brown color. That's when you know it's done. The next thing you want to do is strain the water out. But save the shells, we're going to need them. Pour some of this nutritious water into your favorite cup and enjoy yourself some walnut shell tea. Tastes amazing. It doesn't even need any honey or anything. This tea is really good for the gut. Gets things moving in the bowels. It helps with coughs, you got the runny nose, the flu, and it suppresses your appetite. So it's really good if you're trying to control or lose weight. And with the leftover shells, you want to turn it into a fine powder with a blender. You can use this powder to exfoliate your skin naturally without any chemicals. Just mix a little with some coconut oil. And gently rub it on your skin. Oh, that's really good. Leaves your skin smooth. You can also use this powder to fertilize your plant. Just sprinkle it directly on the soil or mix it in when you're transplanting. Most people don't know about the benefits of walnut shells, but now you do, so share it with somebody you know.